In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sketch in Fusion 360. By the end, you'll know how to start a clean, well-defined sketch that's ready for any downstream modeling. Begin by opening your design in Fusion 360. If you're starting from a blank file, that's perfectly fine. The process is the same. Before you sketch, take a moment to get comfortable with navigation. Use the scroll wheel to zoom, press and hold the scroll wheel to pan, and hold Shift plus the scroll wheel to orbit. This makes positioning your view quick and precise. Next, click Create Sketch. You'll find it on the main toolbar in the design workspace. This switches you into the sketch environment where the grid and sketch palette appear, and your cursor becomes ready for 2D drawing. Now, select a plane or a face to sketch on. You can choose one of the three origin planes, X, Y, Y, Z, or X, Z, if you're starting a new part, or you can pick a flat face of an existing body to add features. Think about the orientation you want. The view cube in the top right helps you snap to front, top, or right views for clarity. If you care about dimensions in specific units, check the document units in the status bar so your sketch measurements make sense from the start. With the sketch active, use the line, rectangle, circle, or arc tools to draw your geometry. Keyboard shortcuts speed things up. L for line, R for rectangle, C for circle, and A for arc. Click to start, move your mouse, and click to finish each segment. You'll notice helpful snapping to endpoints, midpoints, and the origin. These inferences keep your sketch neat and connected. As you place shapes, you can type values to set sizes immediately, or you can add them afterward. To precisely define the sketch, add dimensions and constraints. Tap D for the dimension tool, then click a line, circle, or the distance between 2 points to assign exact values like lengths, diameters, or offsets. In the sketch palette, apply constraints such as horizontal, vertical, parallel, perpendicular, equal, concentric, or coincident. A great practice is to make one point coincident with the origin, anchoring your design. Watch the color. Blue geometry is underdefined, while black indicates it's fully constrained. If something moves unexpectedly, add or adjust constraints rather than relying on locks. Constraints keep designs robust and parametric. When you're satisfied, click Finish Sketch. At the top, you'll return to the 3D environment and your sketch will appear in the browser and timeline. You can always right-click it and choose Edit Sketch to refine dimensions or constraints later.